What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about how to get a mortgage here in Spain. So maybe you are in a situation right now where you are considering buying a property in Spain. You're probably looking online on different properties here in Spain. Maybe you have been going on a couple of viewings, or maybe you have even reserved a property here in Spain. And now you are thinking about the different ways to finance this property. Maybe you will take a loan in your home country, maybe you will pay cash, or maybe you are thinking about getting a finance here in Spain. And now you're probably thinking, is it possible to get finance in Spain as an international buyer? And is it even possible to get a mortgage in Spain, even if you're not even a resident here in Spain? And the answer is yes, it's definitely possible to get a mortgage here in Spain, even if you're not a resident in Spain. And in today's video, I'm going to break it down step by step, exactly how to get a mortgage here in Spain, what documents you need to get a mortgage in Spain, and exactly what to do and how to do it. Stick around to the end because I got a bonus for you at the end of this video and you definitely don't want to miss it. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nicolas and I've been working with property in Spain for nearly a decade. I've been buying and selling many properties myself. I also work as a property advisor, a real estate consultant and a real estate agent. I'm the founder of Revenue Real Estate, Costa Capital and Sharespace Coworking. So I got a lot of experience in the Spanish property sector and I've been helping hundreds of clients over the years to navigate the Spanish property market. Before we dive into the video, if you're interested in buying property in Spain, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. I post weekly videos about buying, financing and living in Spain, so if that's your goal, you're in the right place. Today we are talking about how to get a mortgage here in Spain, the step-by-step process, what paperwork you need to do, what the banks are looking for and what steps to look out for when applying for a finance here in Spain. The question I get asked a lot from clients buying property here in Spain is, can foreigners get a mortgage here in Spain? And the answer is yes, absolutely. Spanish banks do offer mortgages to non-resident buyers, but the terms are a bit different from those offered to Spanish residents. Most banks will offer up to 60 to 70% of the property value for non-residents. Compare that up to 80% for residents here in Spain. So if you are a resident, you will get up to 80% of the property price, and in some cases even up to 100% financing on the properties. But that is only in some extreme cases. If you are a resident and you are buying a bank repossessed property directly from the bank, then you might be able to get 100% finance. But usually stick to the 60 to 70% mark of the property value. The typical mortgage terms here in Spain runs normally from 5 to 25 years. And banks usually won't lend beyond the age of 75. Another common question clients ask me is about the interest rate for the mortgages here in Spain. The rates can vary from 3.5% to 5%, depending on whether you choose a fixed or variable rate. That might sound high if you're coming from a low interest rate country, but it's competitive in the Spanish market right now. Now we are going to look over exactly what documents you need to apply for a mortgage here in Spain. But first, if you're seriously thinking about buying property here in Spain, feel free to reach out and schedule a free consultation call with me by clicking the link in the description down below. We have helped hundreds of clients all over the world to navigate the Spanish property market, and we would like to help you too. And now we are going to look over what documents you need to apply for a mortgage here in Spain. You need your passport or your national ID card. You need a Spanish NIE number, your last 2 to 3 years of tax returns, recent payslips, typically the last 3 months, a bank statement showing your last 6 months of activity, employment contract or a letter from your employer, possibly a credit report from your home country. Once you have found the right property, the bank will send out a certified appraiser to do a valuation of the property you are going to buy to make sure everything is in order and that you will get the finance for 60 to 70% of this property. It's also a very good idea to get pre-approved before putting in an offer for the property. This gives you an edge compared to other sellers, because then when you're putting in an offer, the sellers know you are pre-approved from the bank and that the transaction will go smoothly without any unexpected surprises down the road. You can apply directly with Spanish banks or work with a mortgage broker who specialize in expats. They often help you get better deals. And don't forget the closing cost. These can add 10 to 30% on top of the property price. That includes notary fees, taxes, bank fees and registration. As a bonus for you watching this video, I have put together a complete checklist on all the necessary documents and the step-by-step process for you to prepare for applying for a mortgage here in Spain. If you want it, just comment in the section down below, checklist, and I will personally send the checklist to you. Don't be shy, I will reply all the comments. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, also subscribe to the channel. I got a lot more video coming out about taxes, financing, and of course a lot more property tours, how to invest, how to sell, how to buy, and how to make money with Spanish properties. So if that is your goal, you have come to the right channel. I put out weekly videos, you don't want to miss it. And as always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.